First, we're going to look at the metabolic characteristic. The speed of contraction. Okay, سرعة التقلص والانبساط مع العضلة هتكون بالسلو oxidative fiber slow بالfast oxidative والfast glycolytic of course fast. The myosin ATPase activity, the slow oxidative will be slow and the fast oxidative and the fast glycolytic will be fast. We have the primary pathway for ATP synthesis. المسار الأولي لتكوين جزيئات ال ATP. For slow oxidative, we'll have aerobic pathway, and for the oxidative and the glycolytic fast, we'll have anaerobic. However, in the case of fast oxidative, we'll have some anaerobic glycolysis, but in the fast glycolytic will have anaerobic glycolysis. We have the myoglobin content in the slow and the fast will have high content. However, in the fast glycolytic fiber will have low. Glycogen stores in the slow oxidative fibers will have low. In the fast oxidative, we'll have an intermediate store, and in the fast glycolytic fiber, we'll have a high store. We have the recruitment order. Okay, we have in the slow oxidative goes first, the fast oxidative will go second, and the fast glycolytic will come third. Okay, the recruitment order, it means the order or the sequence of each muscle movement or the motor movement when affected by a force or when the muscles genuinely move. Okay, it starts with the smaller one and moves towards the bigger. We have rate of fatigue. We have the slow oxidative, which is slow. We have the rate of the fatigue in the slow oxidative fiber is slow because it's fatigue resistant, and in the fast oxidative will have intermediate, moderately fatigue resistance. However, in the fast glycolytic fiber, it will have a fast rate of fatigue because it's fatigable. All of these are regarding the metabolic characteristics. Now, let's look what activities they are, each of these fibers are suited for. Slow oxidative fibers, endurance type activity, because they have a slow fatigue rate and a slow speed of contraction. Okay, this will lead to having an endurance type activity. For example, running a marathon and maintaining posture, anti-gravity muscles. For fast oxidative fibers, you have for sprinting and walking because it gets moderately fatigue resistant and it has an intermediate rate of fatigue. Okay, and because of the speed contraction of it, it's used for sprinting or walking. Fast glycolytic fibers, because it's fatigable, then it will have short-term intense or powerful movements. For example, hitting a baseball. It takes a lot of strength and like a quick movement. So the best suitable for hitting a baseball is fast glycolytic fiber. Now we have the structural characteristics. The color, of course, as we said in this table, we're going to explain it in a further way. The slow oxidative is red. The fast oxidative is red to pink. You can also say pinkish. And the fast glycolytic is white or pale in color. The fiber diameter, the slow oxidative is the smallest one. The fast oxidative fiber is intermediate in diameter, and the fast glycolytic is the largest one. Mitochondria. The content of mitochondria of each one, of course, this will, since mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, since the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, we're going to look at how or the content of it of each one. In the slow oxidative, we'll have many of it, okay, because you can look at the pathway, this one's aerobic. And in the fast oxidative fiber, it has many, and in the fast glycolytic fiber, we'll have a few. Also, the capillaries and the slow will have many of them, and the oxidative will have many, but in the glycolytic will have a few. By this table, we have reached the end of our lecture today. If you have any questions, you may contact.